What's good, YouTube? I'm Sarah Hall and welcome back to my channel where the voice is deep and the shoes are cheap. Today we have a special packaging from a seller called RS Now, RS Net, a top trusted seller. Feel free to mention me Enzo for a discount. Let's get right into it. Saw this pair, been on the search for this pair. RS was the first one to have them. Went ahead and copped them from his shop. Came double packaged. QC was good. Approved them. Like I said, came shipped double packaged up, so the box is pristine. And they're a sick shoe. Let's get right into it. Mention me Enzo for a discount. Getting into the box, we got a white box with the snake print, perfect in theme with the Mamba. We got the Kobe signature across the top. Such a unique Kobe. I can't even believe I have these. Let's get right into it. Let's pop the lid. All right. So these are the Kobe Air Force One in the home colorway. The away colorway is all black. I have those as well, but these are the home colorway, all white swooshes. That beautiful Lakers yellow and gold with the purple piping. Beautiful. I mean, these are crazy. Straight out of the box. Take a look at them. They're ridiculous. Let's get them out the box and give you some more detail on these. All right, looking at the wrapping, we got all Kobe logos all over. Okay, let me move that to the side and get these shoes situated here. Mind the setup. Currently sick, so trying my best. You know, wanted to get this content out for you. These are sick. I couldn't keep them to myself. So on the left pair, we got the 8 right there. Give me one sec. Want to make sure it focuses on that 8. There you go. Look at that quality, by the way. It literally looks like it's like a stitched on jersey number, which is so sick, so nostalgic. It has the 8, and then the right pair has the Kobe logo that we're all used to right there. On the interior, we got the Kobe logo on both. I like the mini swoosh right there in purple. All yellow bottom. Stars look great. This is a grail behind the tongue as well. Oh, right there, look, there's a signature in gold. Let me lift these up. You can see that shining through. Kobe signature right there, all glittered in gold right there. And then behind the tongue, we got the Kobe logo on both pairs and the Nike Air on. So I think the signature is only on the right. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, only on the left shoe right here. Feel free to mention me as for a discount. Thank you again for watching. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy this video. Feel free to hop on my Discord and say what's up. Feel free to follow me on Instagram, enzoazai, enzoazai. Thank you, and I'll catch you next video. Peace.